Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then divide the hairs into two sections. Now pull it inside out twice so that it will look like this. Now repeat the exact same process we have done earlier and then take the remaining hairs and divide the hairs into two sections. Now take each section and then make the braids out of it and then tie it nicely till the end. Now repeat the exact same process on another side too and then pull out the hairs from the braids. Now take each braid and then attach it nicely on the alternative side so that it will look like this. Now accessorize it and then it's all done. For the next one, tie your hairs and then divide the hairs into three sections and then start making the braids out of it very nicely and gently till the end and then make a bun out of it. Now with the help of our remaining hairs, wrap it around and then attach it properly with the help of a hair clip and then fix your hair. It's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then divide the hairs into two sections. Roll it nicely as shown in the video and then wrap it around into the bun. Now fix your hair properly and nicely with the help of a hair clip and it's done. For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then divide the hairs into two sections. Now pull it inside out from the first one and then from the second one it will look like a heart. Now take another section of your hair and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then divide the hairs into two sections. Pull it inside out from the first one and then from the first wrap it around as shown in the video. It will be looking like this. Now take another section of your hair and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then again pull it inside out by dividing the hairs in two sections and then wrap it around from the first one. It will be looking like this. Now divide the hairs into two sections, make the braids as shown in the video and then roll it up together and then attach it nicely with the help of a hair clip and then accessorize it properly and then it's all done. For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then pull it inside out. Now take the hairs and then divide it into two sections and tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now take the first section and then pull it inside out from the another side and then repeat the exact same process with the help of the another side too. Now take the remaining hairs, fix it properly and then accessorize it. It's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then attach the hair clip to it. Now take the remaining hairs and then start making the bun out of it with the help of a rubber band and then take the remaining hairs and fix it all together with the help of a hair clip. It will be looking like this and then it's all done. Accessorize it properly. Thanks for watching.